Funky D, everybody. So today you get many things when we want talk again. I know say everything when we talk here now all about politics, Nigerian politics, Nigerian ill politics. Okay. Now the matter when Funky D bring out today when it will make all of us discuss them together, because the matter no easy at all. The matter no easy at all, because the two presidential candidates when people they yearn for in Nigeria they are all zero. They are all herdsmen cabals and Boko Haram cabals. But make we start with the thing when OBJ and Atiku don't do when they into power. Una know say when these two people, when one are president and the other one are vice president, now that time, in fact, now the time when they rule, the money when belong to Nigerian people when they thief, when they thief. Now him, OBJ, with the help of this man they call Arufai, the governor of Kaduna State, the present governor of Kaduna State, then in they work with them together. That time, OBJ and Atiku, then they busy, they sell all our assets. They sell them, they take the money, they open universities. That time, in 2004, OBJ can open one university. His own personal university. When they call Bell University of Technology. Sure you get. In the same 2004, Atiku carry thief plenty money. When we say that money when in thief, he dey among the money when they catch him with in America. When he get this problem now, when he get today, when he not defeat, they travel go America. He can't do what you. According to waiting Funky D here say na only 2 days visa, then give a whole presidential candidate 2 days visa to enter America, according to them. But Funky D never confirm and well, because I never still believe whether Atiku really go America or not. Sure you get. So all this thing now, these people now, the same people again are coming back to hijack the power. When Nigerian people they talk, say now them they won't vote for. Now them they won't vote for. Sure you get. We no need Atiku Abubakar. We no need this man. When the whole world don't know, say not be him be the person. Even the governor of Ekiti State when before you say don't talk him again. Say that man not be Buhari. Say that man not be Buhari. Many of them don't talk and say that man not be Buhari. Even Atiku himself don't talk and say that man not be Buhari. When then they come Igbo land, they can't deceive Igbo people. Now Funky D don't hear again say the Ohanese Ndenjo, the Ohanese people, they don't endorse Atiku Peter Obi presidency. Then APC they want Igbo people say whether na Atiku they won't go vote for, make them know say Atiku is just there to use them. Don't forget, Funky D don't make this video, this kind of video. For one of the one una tell una say Atiku won't use una head, Buhari Jubrim won't use una head. In fact, una brother, una uncle, when they call Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, don't warn una say make una not go vote for these people. Oh. Make una boycott this election. Funky D still they tell una say make una not go vote for these two herdsmen and these two what they call them Boko Haram, because Buhari himself na them from Boko Haram. Atiku himself na him bring out herdsmen. I don't tell una this thing before. These are two herdsmen cabals, Buhari and Atiku. If you made a mistake to vote for Buhari or Atiku, my brother, on the Bukana Guana, the Igbo people, Now they talk to now. If una go make mistake, vote Atiku or Buhari, una know say una don't finish. The thing when herdsmen they do now before, na small thing. Now they go bounce back full time to you people. If you go make mistake, vote any of these people. You go know say, this word, una go they listen to somebody like Nnamdi Kanu. Una go they listen to people because it be like say the Ohaneze Ndigbo don't carry their own come they deceive una again, make una go vote for Atiku. Remember, Atiku na him get herdsmen. Because now through this Meati Allah, when we say Atiku then found Meati Allah, the headers Atiku then found them. Now then get me, now then get this Boko, this herdsmen people. If you go vote for Atiku, you go vote for herdsmen. If you go vote for Buhari, you go vote for the Boko Haram people. So you have to get ready. Now we say, una want make herdsmen kill una finish. Igbo people, una want make herdsmen and this Boko Haram kill una finish. If una go vote for these people. If una not listen to Nnamdi Kanu, if una not want follow Nnamdi Kanu, make una follow only this person when be show warren, when be say, na him go help this matter. He don't tell one the time this thing. Buhari will not help you, give you any 2023 you have, you must be dreaming. Atiku giving you restructuring, you must be dreaming. Because if Atiku come into power, for example, God forbid bad thing, if Atiku come into power, ladies and gentlemen, Atiku will like to stay another 4 years after 2023. So tell me how Igbo man go come get that 2023. Tell me how Atiku go make Igbo man become president in that 2023. Oh, Buhari, this one now when the Yoruba people don't open their mouth wide, they wait for the 2023. So to Funky D, the only way when una go do this thing, when una they agitate for, when be Biafra. The only way when una go get this thing, when una they agitate for, when be freedom, when una they look for. Or referendum, one what they look for, not to vote either for Sowore or boycott as Nnamdi Kanu tell una. If you go jump Sowore, you think say Sowore na Yoruba man because una know say Sowore is not siding anybody. If you are a bad person, Sowore must bring you out. He must expose you. He don't expose all the whole people into power today. Both Buhari, both all of them, he don't expose all of them. Atiku, he don't expose all of them. So if you no want you when they say you are a Yoruba man may go fight for Duduwa, it's a very wrong statement. Very, very wrong statement. This guy na straightforward person when we say that him go even help una get this referendum. Although referendum not mean say una don't go. Referendum na like it's like a kind of voting again, another kind of to vote whether una go stay or una go. So if una win, una go. If una lost, una go stay. Share you get. So now only Sowore go give una that room. That is why they tell una say make una go vote for Sowore. If you go vote for Hausa man again, the killing when they don't kill una before, they na small thing. So you have to wait for them because they are coming overnight to invade the Igbo land finally. To invade Igbo people finally. Atiku is not good. Atiku, when in their power, in they busy, they close university, they open in own. Jubri in own na to close schools, to close everything. When people don't do, he go close them. Even churches, he go close them. Anything when not demand good, he go just close them. Now be Buhari on. Use the Boko Haram terrorize everybody because I know say na military man. So if APC they tell you say make you come vote for them, not listen to them, be wayo people. If PDP tell you say make you vote for them, look, you cannot get any restructuring, and even if the way of their restructuring is not the way you are thinking it. So that restructure or restructuring, not just their way of propaganda. PDP propaganda machine. Then the 2023 of Jubri Buhari is a propaganda. You will never, ever, ever Mark my word, if you go vote Jubri, Buhari, you will never get anything 2023. You will never get anything good in that Igbo land. Na big problem. The only thing when you go get na Boko Haram killing you people. If you go vote for Atiku, you have to wait for herdsmen. They will slaughter all of una. Una not say una not get power to fight them because you guys are like kind of cool, you know, not wanting to fight the Boko against the, or to fight them or to clash with them. Because one knows you will not get anything when one won't take fight herdsmen or Boko Haram. So my advice to you people, stop saying that Sowore is this and that. Sowore is a great guy. In fact, he's the only person that will deliver that country. And the only person that will give you that kind of thing that you are looking for, if at all. Shall you get? So, this video when they make, me, I not give a damn. I not give a hook. I just want to make una listen because the word Funky D is saying, I'm not sure how they talk and they talk bad thing. Now, advice that they give you, if you go vote for Buhari because of maybe you want 1 naira, you are in problem. If you go vote for Atiku because of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, they are the people that destroyed the Igbo people. And now they want to push you people to Atiku. Atiku, when we say Atiku not get your time. You don't tell Nigerian people, say the reason why he's going there is that he want to sell the things that belongs to Nigerian people. If you think Atiku will come develop Igbo land, you are making a very big mistake. If you think say Buhari we one day come and they develop Igbo land, you are making a very big mistake. So the only person, if you don't want to follow boycott, if you don't want to follow boycotting, make una follow Sowore because that's the only person. In fact, make una join hand, vote this Sowore. Stop discriminating. The man doesn't do you any bad thing. The people, when they do the bad thing in that country, now APC and PDP. Now then we're supposed to hold to ransom. Not Sowore. Sowore is a new candidate. So if you are following, if you are voting Buhari, you are voting the herdsmen. If you are voting Atiku, you are voting the herdsmen. Voting both of them means voting for herdsmen and Boko Haram. And you have to be ready for them. If you vote for them, you have to be ready for these people. You have to be ready for these people. I am talking to the Igbos. You have to be ready. If you are voting for this, look, let us join hands together. Now they matter because all of us they into the same matter. Nowhere in Nigeria is good. Nowhere in Nigeria is developed. Nothing when they do for anybody. Both Igbo people, both but they get some people when they decide when be Yoruba people. Now them they work with this Hausa and Fulani Kabas. But every part of Nigeria is the same. You not get where they put electricity when we say Igbo people not get. It's the same. Everywhere in Nigeria is the same. So make we join hands together to fight this battle. Make we liberate ourselves from these cabals. From these demonic cabals them. Even Peter Obi now has joined the cabals. Because I hear some people they say when in the Anambra, when in be governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi not do anything. Peter Obi looted some money from Anambra government. I've seen it. So they are all one people. So make you not use because of your Peter Obi, because even Peter Obi now done the wrong for Igbo people. Now he never even become a governor of he never even become vice president. He's running for Igbo people. He's not answering them. He's not talking to them. He's not speaking with them. So Ohanaeze Ndigbo they deceive una again. So if you not boycott, follow Sowore, because now the only man when go make everything happen in a positive way. APC is not there to help you. Atiku Abubakar is just going there for his own personal ambition. He's going there for his own selfishness. That man is a very ruthless criminal, very ruthless looter. Atiku will not listen to you. Buhari can never listen to you. This video is going for the Igbos, in fact for the whole Nigerian people. Make we work hand in hand. This is the last chance we will ever get to. This is the last chance. This 2019, we not fit come out this cabals, come throw away them. Both parties. Forget. Now they don't rig already by buying votes. They don't rig the election already by buying votes. This is to show you that these people, you can never, ever, ever trust them. They don't have your time. 250 naira. Now they take rig election now. 250 naira. So make una listen to Funky Dio. This video, make una share and go Igbo land. I think it's southeast. So that people go hear Funky D. Well, Buhari, you are voting for Buhari, you are voting for Boko Haram. 4 years invasion of Boko Haram. If you are voting for Atiku, you are voting for Hesmin. 4 years. They will invade Igbo land completely. Now, when we say Atiku, when we say I found Boko Hesmin, him not they talk about them. Him not they address the matter anytime when they kill. In honor for them to just begin kill on. Make them just they kill. So, not to talk of when he become your president. So, Ohaneze Ndigbo, stop deceiving people. Ohaneze Ndigbo, now them they do this one day. One of you stand up against them. If you want to fight for freedom, if you want to do referendum, if you want to, this kind of a thing need a very serious revolution. Revolution, not be by talking or by coming to the internet, the yap nonsense. Not being you want to liberate yourself from people like all these cabas. Or from people like Ohaneze Ndigbo. You got to search for these people and give them the treatment when you're supposed to give to them. Not be mouth. Funky D. Funky D. I don't tell you again. That's how they talk. Because some people go just come they talk. Say, I don't care waiting you talk this time around, but I make sure that you watch this video and you consider what I'm telling you. Voting for Atiku is you are in a grave danger. Voting for Buhari, you are in a grave danger. So we have to think twice before on the 16th of February to know whom you are going to vote for or to know whether you go really boycott or not. Not be small matter be this one, brother. Obodo Nigeria is in danger. Funky D. Funky D. So, subscription is not for sale. Make una they subscribe, they come. Make una they throw comment, they come. Whether good or bad. Funky D, they watch, they read them. You understand? So, make una they watch, they share my videos, give people. Brothers and sisters, mothers, fathers, all of them. Sure you get. Funky D. Funky D, everybody. God bless you and see you soon again. Bye.